Yeah.
That's like a gunshot.
Look at that one. Yeah.
Those ashes aren't gonna fall, right?
You don't need them?
No, those ashes aren't gonna fall, right? Woo! Oh, that's cool. That one's cool. Yeah. That was cool.
There it goes. Yeah. Woo.
They all fall in the lake. They make sure it's not like last time.
Uh-oh.
Woo!
Okay, here we go. Woo. Yeah. Yay!
Yeah, that was a good one. Oh, we got more. Hey, we run out of storage. At least I got fireworks. Woo! Right when storm popped. That I didn't like that one. Can y'all see this?
Uh-oh.
Yo, I low-key thought that was about to land on me.
Parker, I hear you.
I'm gonna back up a little bit. Backing up so I can not get hit by ashes. Gotta put that brightness all the way up so they can see it. Jesus.
Hey, nope. We picked her up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Woo.
Scared those ashes are gonna fall. That blue's nice. My hand's getting tired. Oh, that's cool.
Well, why are you leaving in the middle of the night? Go ahead, yeah, run right now.
Karens these days. Alright, we got more finally.
Thank you guys for saying that. I wasn't even thinking about her sitting on the middle of the roof.
Thank God we're here. Sitting on the roof of a quarter pot. Oh, here we go. That one's good. That one's good. That was good. That was good. Yeah. Oh, wow, it's cool. They literally sound like gunshots. I smell smoke. Oh, it's probably the smoke back all the way over there. Oh, here we go. Jesus. Hey, maybe being by the lake was not a good idea. Oh, we got lightning. Is that it?
So, takes a minute to get them relit.
What is that red smoke over there? Oh, we're going all out. I'm not going to record for too long because I don't want to run out of storage. Because I also want to record our 4th of July at home. Even though I already did one last year. Last year we had big fireworks. Oh my God! Ah, there's that lightning bug is about to get killed by that. the lightning. Oh, that one's cool. I like how they mag it like that. I heard there's a galaxy one. I think that's one it's gold. That's a New Year's firework. Right? Am I right? That is landing right on us. You know the grand finale one is... Fireworks can get dangerous if you don't know how to use them. So I'm too scared I'm gonna blow up my hand. Oh, here we go. They're lighting some. Alright, I'm just gonna wait until they come. Alright, we're back. Oh, there we go. That royal blue is nice. I think I'm gonna stop because I wanna... Oh. Got that one. I can't see nothing, dude. It's pitch dark. Jeez. Are they falling in the lake? Or, yeah, whatever. It's a lake, not an ocean. I live in Florida. Wish. Let me know if you guys live in Florida. You know the grand finale is gonna be crazy. I'm getting away from there. They're getting a little bit too close. Hey, you guys might get hit. Well, it actually hurt. Do the sparks hurt when they get on you?
I like the ones that like do like parts.
That's cool, I guess. Okay. Is that a cigar? Please be little. Never mind. Oh my lord, that is falling right on you. Yeah, why don't you go and shine your bright eyes in people's face? Woo. That car's kind of sketchy. Alright. These are the type of fireworks we need. Why are fireworks so expensive? Like $250 a box. It's a light.
What did it say? At what day?
How many people are already? Probably trying to get ahead of it.
Oh. Oh my. That's cool. They like stop or whatever once they're done. That one's my favorite. The gold. Actually, the royal blue is my favorite. Is there other colors? They should like. Jesus. Okay, we're getting to the big boys now.
No, they have ones that blow up like that. They're just really loud.
We're getting to the big boys. Please don't follow me. Yeah, we're good, right? We're good. Yep, we're good. We're good. Yeah, okay, good. Oh, oh, that one's cool. That was probably my favorite. Well, they're probably gonna light like 8 fireworks at the same time. Yeah. Rainbow? Holy Lord, help me. Jeez, that's bright. I might need these headphones. I'm trying to catch. That's like a star. Jeez, they're loud. Yep. About to run out. Watch me trip over a log. So far, I got all of them recorded.
Yeah, okay.
And like,
So you can tell when they're lightning.
yeah, because it turns red. I like the royal blue and the rainbow, probably my favorite. Parker is so funny. The blue one's my favorite.
Purple.
Oh, it's purple.
Well, I
Purple.
don't know what it is. Uh-oh.
Jesus. That guy said that one's pretty. That's a New Year's firework, right?
Here we go.
Jeez.
Oh,
Lightning at the end.
Background.
Lightning makes it cool.
I know. I like that.
And then look, it shuts off over there. It's like pitch black. You can't look. It's pitch black. You can't see anything. This is epic. This can't beat the light show.
That's good.
It can't be anything. I mean, the light show is probably the grand best. Because I like how they had the Home Alone, the Walmart. That was cool.
Yep.
Lightning.
Yep. Okay.
I'm wearing SpongeBob socks.
Lighting something else.
Jesus, these fireworks are loud. And the sparkles go in the ocean. Or should I say the lake? Whoa, that one's cool. Ah.
Get it? None of them are gonna fall in the face.
Oh, they stop at the sky. That's satisfying. I like how they shape. Fireworks are expensive. Those are like $200 a piece.
At least.
Yeah, that's a lot of money for fireworks. We had an epic fireworks show last year. And I'm probably going to make people go bankrupt again for fireworks. Jeez. Hope no ashes fall on me because that hurts.
I wouldn't let you sit.
Yeah, God. I pause it so they don't have to wait that long for them to start it. Oh, here we go.
There. You just.
That scared me. I thought someone just got shot.
Please just watch fireworks.
Oh my God, those are loud. They're getting like louder.
Yep.
Holy. I like the purple. I can go over there, but I don't want to get hit by any sparks.
They're not gonna be. Or they wouldn't let you sit here.
Well, last year some fell on me. Or was that the leftover? I think that's the left.
It was left over.
It looks like it's coming to you, which is the scary part.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's a fireworks going.
That is recording for 15 minutes. What is this? 8-hour fireworks? 30. I'm gonna have to end it because I don't want to waste all storage. Okay, we'll do a couple more and then I'll end it because.
You say you want a little video camera?
Yeah,
I got one.
I need a new one, like a good one, you know?
Well, this one is a good one, and it's $9.
Where'd you get it from?
I got it for Christmas one year.
I can use it.
Yeah.
Oh! Is it like an old 1930s?
No,
It's like, you got it
you'll
like,
like it.
okay.
And I got one of the first ones I used to use.
Yeah, don't use
But I don't
the.
think you want to use it.
No, I don't want the first one. I don't want my graphics to be terrible. Okay, I'm gonna end this in 2 days. Two fireworks left, and then once we go through 2 fireworks, I'm gonna end it. Are we done?
I don't know.
Are we done? That's only 16 minutes and 52 seconds. So technically, because
I don't know. They won't.
all right. Well, I think we're done.
No, maybe. I don't know.
I think we are.
Do
They're.
you think they are?
Did they get their fireworks stolen? Maybe the firework thief. Okay, I'm ending it.